The best crypto channel around the world. My name is Ish. As usual, if you're new, welcome to our channel. We made it to 1,500 subscribers so far, but we still need more subscribers. We need more watch hours. So what I need you guys to do is to keep on watching the videos until the end of the video. So what am I gonna talk about today? What I'm going to talk about today is about how you can make at least somehow some money online in 2024. How can I make money, or how can you make money online in the year of 2024? In this video, that's what I'm going to talk about. So if you are new to this channel, thank you. If you're just going through looking for how to make money online in 2024, you're welcome. Just subscribe, hit the like button, because all we do is share information. That information is helpful for some people. It's not helpful, but most people it's very helpful. So I know everybody's like, it's just a minute. It's just a minute, 30 seconds. Everybody's asking, how can we make money? Let him say how can we make money online in 2024? That's what I'm going to talk about. But I want you guys to keep watching these videos until the end. If you don't watch these videos until the end, we don't get the watch hours, and the watch hours are 4,000 watch hours. YouTube wants 4,000 watch hours to get us monetized. So I want you guys to always, when I upload a video, watch the video until the end, because we take time to research this information that we give here. So it's not just like we just need to give you information, but we also need you guys to do your part, and we also do our part. Okay, so how can anybody in 2024 make at least $100 a week online? There is this website, which I'm going to put in the description of the video, where you can sign up, take their tests, meet their requirements, and when they approve you, the chances are you'll at least make $1,000 a month or two in 2 months, just doing some more simple things online. And these simple things involve artificial intelligence. So if you keep on watching this video, I'm going to give you the website that you can sign up and do some of their onboarding process, which involves like some little bit of tests. Those tests, they need a little bit of concentration. You need to know what you're doing. If you pass the tests, they're going to allow you to be part of their website. And every time they get a contract or a project, they will board you on that project, and you'll be part of that project. And you will teach the robots, the models, how to operate, how to get information and be accurate. This website, lots of people are making money from it, but they don't know. A lot of people don't know about this website, and they think it is a scam. But I can assure you that for me, I have used this website, made at least over $40,000 from this website. I signed up on this website in 2018, and I've been making a little bit of money, and they've been paying me money through PayPal. And to make you guys believe what I'm talking about, the thumbnail of this video is gonna show some money that they paid me. It's gonna show a screenshot from their inside website, how much money I've been making. So what is the website? What's the name of the website? The name of the website is remotetasks.com. Remotetasks.com is a legitimate website where you can sign up and make at least $4,000 a month just doing training AIs, making videos. There's lots of projects that they come out with every day. I'm just on a different project today, and I got tired. I made $100 today, and it's just remote tasks. I'm supposed to be paid tomorrow. They pay you by PayPal, they pay you by bank account, and they have I think it's called AirTeam. So guys, that website is legit. You're gonna see lots of different reviews online about remotetasks.com, but it is legit. I have made some money from them. I'm gonna show you a screenshot from PayPal showing you Remote Task just paid me that, and you will know that that website is legit. So know that you can make money in 2024 just by signing up on Remote Tasks. It's very hard to get those guys approve you to be on their website because you have to do some tests which are really mind-blowing. They are kind of hard, but it's doable. And after that, they gotta verify your KYC. They do know your customer, something like that. You gotta put in your IDs. I don't know how it works if you're outside United States or if you're not a citizen of United States, but I know it's a worldwide thing. I've seen Africans, on this website. I've seen people from Europe. I've seen people from Asia on this website. So they have everybody. They have everybody from every part of the world, the continents, So don't be scared that you're like, I don't know if I'm going to qualify or something. You may qualify. You just need to sign up. I'm going to put a link. And the thing is, this video is not promoted by remotetasks.com. I'm just wanting my viewers, my subscribers to have options of making some income online. Because it feels so sad in 2024 that you spend all this time on Facebook, on YouTube, on garbage, on this website, on the other website, and you're not earning anything. It's so absurd that these websites, some of them are making us waste our time, mostly TikTok, Facebook. Yes, some people are making money from Facebook, but you gotta have a lot of subscribers. You gotta have a lot of followers. You gotta have a lot of views to make a dime. And people waste lots of time on these websites, but they're not making any money. So this legit website, remotetasks.com, is legit. You can sign up and start making money. And that's the website. So the only thing you got to do for me now is just to hit the subscribe button, share the video to at least 2 of your friends so that they can also get the information. You don't have to be mean. Just subscribing to this channel. It doesn't cost any money. I hope you guys like the video and share it and comment too. Thank you and have a good week.